What's up, my unique people? Welcome back to the channel. Today, as you guys can tell by the title, it's Vlogmas Day 9. And as you guys can tell by the title, I will be showing you guys how I install my wig. And the hair is by Subella Hair. The link will be in the description box below. And also check out my previous video on the review I did on Subella Hair. But without further ado, before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And turn that post notification bell button. Comment down below any videos you'd like for us to do. And let's get into the video. So as you guys can see, I'm going to be using a wig cap, and just stay tuned for the rest of the video. I'm just going to let y'all watch the video, and I'm just going to stop talking. Y'all going to get the gesture, and yeah. Now I'm going to take the Gold Spawn and apply 2 layers and let them both dry. And then you're going to see the cap, how it looks after it's dry. So now I'm cutting all the cap, and I'm going to cut the little bitty that's lifting and what's need to be glued down.
Hey, the Chico, what up, my nigga? What up, my nigga?
So now I am blow drying the got to be spray that I sprayed on to my lace. So now I'm going to take the tint lace spray in brown and spray it onto this little brush, makeup brush, and smear all over my head so it can match my skin color. So this is what the cap look like. I look bald headed as, but y'all get it. I look bald headed and pretty much match my skin. Right now what I'm doing, I am tying the rest of the cap in the back because yeah, you seen that little cap. So now I'm taking a got to be spray freeze blast and spraying it all over my head so that the makeup and everything could just set. So now I am about to measure on the wig and make sure that everything is measured on my head correct before I apply the Got To Be Ghost Bond glue to the wig. And I'm going to start, like, you know, parting it and doing everything how I like. You gonna see, y'all gonna get this.
Hey, the Chico, what up, my nigga? What up, my nigga? Hey, the Chico, what up, my nigga? What up, my nigga?
Well, this is the end of the results of the wig. Be sure to comment down below any videos you would like to do. My camera had died. And also be sure to stay unique, my people.